Hi, I'm Emma and I'm a ranger with Parks Victoria in Shepparton. We would like to acknowledge the traditional lands on which we filmed these Learn to Camp videos. Pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging. At Parks Victoria, we're into nature and we want to show you how to get into nature too. The last two videos have helped us book our site and figure out our gear. Now we're ready to enjoy the camping experience, and sharing meals is at the heart of great camping memories. In this video, we'll go over the basics of setting up a campfire, camp cooking and some cooking gear you will need. Firstly, it's important to look at what facilities your campsite has for cooking. For example, some campsites have water and campfire bays, while others don't. Once you know what facilities your campsite has, you can organise your cooking equipment. Some basic equipment includes cutlery, bowls and plates, a tub to wash dishes in, dishwashing supplies, a frying pan or pot, matches or a lighter, an icebox or esky to keep your food fresh, and a camp stove or wooden kindling for a fire. It's important to note that you will need to bring your own kindling and wood. Collecting wood at the campsite is not allowed to help protect the local environment. When you're planning what food to take camping, ensure you consider the temperature and your ability to keep food fresh and cold. Let's go through how to set up a campfire, but beforehand it's important to know not all campsites allow fires. Remember to check the facilities on the Parks Victoria website. Campfires must not be lit on a day of total fire ban. Check the Victoria Emergency website or app for updates about total fire ban days. Firstly, use only designated campfire bays. Be sure they are clear of debris and old ash. Place small kindling or paper in the centre of your fire pit. Avoid packing the paper or kindling down to allow airflow through the kindling. Next, arrange some larger sticks around the kindling in a teepee shape. Then, continuing with some even bigger sticks, build out the teepee shape. Your kindling and stick should be loosely stacked to allow airflow. Now you can light your fire. Using matches or a lighter, light the paper or kindling in a few different points. Once the fire takes and is hot, you can add a bigger log. Be sure that an adult is always with the fire. Never leave it unattended. You also need to make sure you have enough water to put the fire out completely. You can visit the Learn to Camp resource page on the Parks Victoria website to learn more about campfire safety. Cooking on your campfire is best done over hot coals and not an open flame. This allows a more even temperature and easier cooking conditions. It's really important that you put the fire out completely using water. Once you put out your campfire with water, put your hand near the ashes and unburnt wood. Be careful not to touch hot coals. If the ashes are cool to touch, then it's safe for you to leave the campfire. If the ashes are still warm, put more water on the campfire until the ashes are cool. A great alternative to a campfire is cooking with a portable camp stove. There are lots of options, and talking to your camp gear provider will help you find the right one for you. Once you've finished cooking each meal, ensure you pack away all food items and dispose of any scraps so you don't attract wildlife into your campsite or tent. When it's time for you to leave, walk around your campsite looking for any rubbish or gear you might have left behind. It's important that you take everything that you brought in back out with you, including food scraps and packaging, and leave your campsite clean. You've now finished your first camping trip, and we hope you've enjoyed getting into nature as much as we do. Make sure you share your memories with others to encourage more people to try camping. We look forward to seeing you out in nature again soon.